Hi guys, welcome to Manuverse Set General 2020 video. So recently Symbiosis have given the notification regarding the set exam guys, and they have divided set exam into the two parts, set A and set B. So set A exam will be for all the aspirants those who are applying for the SSC, SCMC, SSLA, SICSR and SSC, and this exam will happen on 18th and 19th of June, which will be internet based online test. And set B is the exam for all the students those who have applied for the BBA courses, SCMC Pune campus, SCMC Noida and SCMC Nagpur campus, and this exam will happen on 19th of July, computer based test. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about the fast track preparation for your set exam, new pattern test which they have introduced, and second is what, mock test. But before that, let's go to the official website of Symbiosis and see all the details. So this is what the official website of Symbiosis guys, and this is what the notification they have released about the set A and set B exam dates. And if we click on the test structure, so this is what the paper pattern, they have changed the paper pattern also. About this paper pattern I'll talk further guys, because set A there is a different paper pattern and for set B it is different. But before that guys, those who have just started their preparation or those who are in the midway of their preparation, we have launched for them full course program for set general 2020. This full course program will include your video lectures, your mock test and your practice PDF. So this course will be sufficient in terms of your preparation. Those who have already prepared and lacking in particular section, then you can join the sectional courses guys, like English, Quant, Reasoning, GK. Any of the section if you are feeling weak, you can join the sectional courses. Next is mock test guys, which is very important. They have come up with the new pattern. So your mock test will be based on the same new pattern guys. So do attempt the mock test, and ebooks for the practice purpose. So those who don't have books in this pandemic, so you can join our ebook section guys, you can take the access of ebooks. So all these programs are available on manuedu.com/BBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description guys, so please check the description. Further I'll guide you how to join these courses. For any assistance you can contact on this number. Okay, now let's talk about the set A exam, which is on 18th and 19th of June guys. An exam mode will be internet based test, which means from your home you will be writing this exam guys. So set A exam is for all the applicant those who have applied for the Symbiosis School of Economics, BSc Economics courses, Symbiosis Center for Media and Communication, BA in Media and Communication, Symbiosis School of Liberal Arts, Bachelor of Arts and Science students, Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, BCA and BBA IT courses, and last is a Symbiosis School of Culinary Arts for BSc Culinary student and BSc Hospitality Management students. So all these programs are for the Pune campus basically. This is what the new pattern of set A student. English 7 questions, Quant 7, General Awareness 7, Analytical Reasoning 7. So total number of question 28, and which you have to complete in 20 minutes. So 20 minutes time you will be given to solve all the MCQs question, and next 20 minutes for the VAT. Alright, so overall test will be of 40 minutes guys, 20 minutes for the MCQ and 20 minutes for the VAT. So do write the mock test guys to get familiar with the question type. So in your maneuver mock test, it is based on the set B paper format, but you can practice those questions. So if you practice all those mock tests, that will be very helpful in terms of your preparation guys. So do appear for the set general mock test guys. For set B student, it is for the BBA Pune, Noida, Nagpur campus. So your set B exam, set general on 19th of July, computer based test for all the students those who applied for the Symbiosis Center of Management Study Pune, Noida, Nagpur for BBA courses. Okay, so set B exam will be computer based on 19th of July. Do make the note of this guys. And paper pattern which they have changed, new paper pattern of set B is nothing but English 24 question, Quant 24 question, General Awareness 24 question, Logic 18 questions. So overall 19 question for 19 marks. Overall time given 120 minutes, but out of that 90 minutes for the MCQs, remaining 30 minutes for the VAT. And as we all know, there is no negative marking, so that is a what plus point we have. After your exam, for set A and set B student, there will be interview guys. You must have got the mail. Kindly check your mail and go through all the details. Or as those who have applied for the set A and dreaming for the top campuses of the Symbiosis, like SICSR, SSC, SSLA campus, SSCA campus or SCMC campus. So guys, do take the printout of this image and stick on the wall whichever campus you are planning to go for, whichever campus you are dreaming for, and do prepare well in the exam so that you end up with that campus. Same goes to the BBA student, set B student, SCMC Pune campus. Obviously everyone target for the Pune, SCMC Noida, SCMC Nagpur campus. Alright, so now let me take you to the official website of Manuver and guide you how to join the courses. So you have to open Google guys and type MANOEUVRE manuveredu.com. This is what the website is. Just click on the home page. This is how your website will open guys. Just click on the buy online, BBA entrance, and just scroll down, go to the full course program. Here scroll down, in second row you will find set general Symbiosis 2020 course. Click on the view details. What you can see, 260 video lectures, 76 ebooks for the practice purpose, and 10 mock tests. And if you click on the syllabus, so all these video lectures are available, guys. You can go through it. So this full course program will be sufficient because it take care of your video lectures, mock series, and practice PDF. If I go back, so those who want to join only mock tests, then go for the mock test. Set General 4 section and the 6 full length mock series are there. You can join this mock test program. And same way, sectional courses, guys. If you are weak in particular section, let's say English, Logic, Quant, GK, and if you want to prepare for the VAT and PI, so all these sectional courses are also available. VAT and PI is available in your full course also. So if you have joined full course, so in that VAT and PI course are also available. And same goes to the ebooks, guys. If you don't have a books for the practice, just click on the ebook section and you can join the ebooks. So once again, guys, Set A exam will be your online mode exam which you have to write from your home itself by the laptop or the PC, and your interview will be online mode. So kindly go through the details which you have got the mail from the Symbiosis. And Set B, computer based test. Okay, and this is what 19th of July, this is what 18th and 19th of June. So do kickstart your preparation, guys, so that you can crack this exam very well. And don't forget to prepare for the VAT and PI, guys. So equally you have to give more importance to the VAT and PI preparation also. So in your sectional course, VAT and PI course is also available. Do check that. And full course program, mock series, and books, all these courses are available on menuedu.com/BBA entrance. For any assistant, you can call on 8828581455. For any query and doubt, please post in the comment box, guys. I'll be happy to reply you. All the very best for the Symbiosis Set General 2020 exam. Thank you.